Have you lost data like images, videos or documents from Windows PC due to accidental deletion, system update, virus attack or have reset your computer? Now want to get back deleted files from Windows PC, but then the question is how to recover deleted files from Windows PC, that too which are permanently deleted. Well folks, there is a solution and that's exactly what I am going to share with you all in this video. Watch the video full and follow the steps by downloading the application from the links in description and pinned comment to recover permanently deleted files from Windows PC for free. Hey folks, myself Akhil from EaseUS back with another data recovery tutorial, and today I wanna show you all how to recover permanently deleted files from Windows PC for free. So if you have lost important data from Windows computer or laptop, be it videos, images, documents or any other file, and now want to recover files deleted permanently for free, well then you need not to worry as there are solutions. Simply watch the video full and follow the steps to recover any file deleted from computer, external drive like SSD, HDD or SD cards. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, whenever we delete a file from Windows computer or laptop, they are first moved to recycle bin. Let me show you this by an example. See, here is my local drive D. I have a folder upcoming videos that has a few videos. Now I will delete them. See, they are deleted. Now we will try to recover deleted files using recycle bin. So for that, let's open recycle bin and see, here we have our deleted folder. To restore it, simply right click on the folder and then choose restore. Boom, our deleted folder will be recovered successfully. And you can see over here, our complete folder is recovered with all 4 videos. That's how easily we can recover deleted files from recycle bin for free. But first, what if we have permanently deleted file, like you have used shift and delete key to permanently delete file or folder. Now don't find them in recycle bin as it's empty. What to do now? How to recover permanently deleted file from recycle bin after empty? Well first, for this we will be using a professional Windows data recovery software, and that is EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard Free. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard Free is the best free Windows data recovery software that can restore permanently deleted files from recycle bin, HDD, SSD, USB, memory cards and many more devices. It is the best free data recovery software for Windows that offers quick scan, free preview and has high success rate. First, EaseUS Data Recovery software can help you recover your permanently deleted files from Windows PC for free in 3 simple steps. Wow, that seems really easy. Let's give it a try, and for that follow the links in description and pin comment to visit this website. Now click on free download. It starts downloading. Once EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation. And once done, here we have EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard Free with all its features and capabilities. We can use EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard Free for PC recovery, SD card recovery, NAS recovery and crashed PC recovery. From here we can select a location to start recovering. Here we have internal drives from Windows PC. We can also recover data from recycle bin, desktop or select a specific folder. First, we can do so much with EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard Free, but today I wanna show you all how to use EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard Free to recover permanently deleted files from Windows PC for free. And for that, here we are back on EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard Free. As our files were deleted from local disk D, click on scan. It starts scanning and within a few seconds it will complete quick scan. Here it mentions quick scan completed, recover found deleted 421 files. First, most probably our lost files will be found after quick scan, but let it complete advanced scan to find more lost files. It may take some time depending on your drive size. Once done, here it mentions scan completed and found 3510 files. Now we can look for deleted files. Here it mentions different folders like lost files, deleted, and file name lost. Click on type to look for a specific file type like pictures, videos with different formats. Let's move to path and expand deleted. Now here we have different folders deleted from local disk D. Here at last we also have upcoming videos folder, and see here we have all our 4 videos. We can also preview deleted files. Now that we have found the files that we need to recover, selected them, and to recover files, click recover. Now we need to choose a location to save recovered files. Selected drive E. Now click select folder. Now you can see data recovery process has started. Within a few seconds data recovery completes, and here we have confirmation. To check recovered files, click on view recovered. Now browse through to look for deleted files. Now see, here we have successfully recovered permanently deleted files. We can also view them. Let's open this. See, we have our video files recovered without losing quality. That's how easily you can also recover permanently deleted files on Windows PC for free using EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard Free. False, with EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard Free, you can recover up to 2 GB of data for free. But if you are looking to recover files of more than 2 GB, you will be required to upgrade to EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard Pro, which offers unlimited data recovery. To get EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard Professional Edition, simply follow the links in the description and pin comment to visit this official website and then click on Upgrade to Pro. Now from here choose a plan for yourself as per your requirement. Easy to use and 100% working. I will highly recommend you to try out EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard Free if you are looking to recover permanently deleted files on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And if you want to, find the links in description and pin comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Develop Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Hill. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Looking to make a video of your computer screen and share it with others, but then question is, how do you record your screen? Got a second-hand iPhone that is updated to latest iOS 16.3 update and is stuck on iPhone lock to owner. Now you are looking to bypass iCloud activation lock